Your dishes might look clean, but they could be coated in hidden toxins. Joseph here, and I've uncovered the dangerous chemistry your favorite soap brands are hiding from you. Stop poisoning your food today. Subscribe now to protect your family and discover the truth about what's actually in your kitchen. Dish soap brands to avoid. Number 7, Ajax. Ajax uses very strong chemicals to break down grease, but these same ingredients can strip the natural oils from your skin, causing dryness and itching. According to the Environmental Working Group, many basic cleaners in this category use surfactants that can irritate the skin and eyes. These chemicals don't always rinse away, leaving a thin, invisible film of residue on your plates and cups that you might accidentally eat. Many users report that their hands feel tight and dry after just one wash because the pH balance is too harsh for human skin. This grease-cutting power comes from synthetic additives that are more about industrial strength than human safety. This can leave your skin feeling raw and irritated over time. Many people don't realize these chemicals can enter the body through the skin. It's a dangerous trade-off for a bit of extra cleaning power. Furthermore, the strong chemical scent can linger in your kitchen air. Using this daily can weaken your skin's natural defense system. It is simply too aggressive for a standard home kitchen. You might feel like you are cleaning more, but you are actually adding a chemical layer to your dinnerware. It is time to stop prioritizing a squeaky feel over your actual health. Your skin and your gut will thank you for making a change. Cons: irritates sensitive skin, harsh synthetic fragrances, high alkaline pH, leaves chemical residue, contains synthetic dyes. Price around $3 to $5. Number 6, Joy. Joy focuses on heavy-duty cleaning, but it relies on synthetic dyes and strong fragrances that can trigger allergies for sensitive people. Research shows that synthetic fragrances often contain phthalates, which are chemicals that can disrupt hormones in the body. These dyes are added just for color and provide zero cleaning value, yet they stay on your utensils as residue. Many families find that these strong smells linger on plastic containers long after rinsing, meaning you are tasting chemicals with your food. The high concentration of artificial scents makes it a risky choice for households with asthma or chemical sensitivities. These scents can be very overwhelming for people with sensitive noses. Over time, this residue can build up on your favorite mugs and bowls. It's not just a smell, it's a chemical coating on your dishes. Many users report that their food tastes soapy, even after multiple rinses. The artificial colors used here have no place in a healthy home. It prioritizes a clean smell over actual chemical purity. This residue can be particularly stubborn on silicone and plastic tools. The clean feeling is just a trick of the fragrance, not actual purity. It is a risk that simply isn't worth taking for your family's well-being. Cons: harsh synthetic fragrances, irritates sensitive skin, leaves chemical residue, harmful to environment, strong artificial scents. Price: around $2 to $4. Do you notice a strong smell on your plates after using this? Tell me in the comments. Number 5, Gain. Gain is famous for its powerful scent, but that smell is a red flag because fragrance is a legal loophole allowing brands to hide dozens of chemicals. These synthetic perfumes can cause contact dermatitis, which is a fancy way of saying your skin gets red and bumpy. When you wash your dishes, these perfumes leave a chemical coating on your glassware that can change the taste of your water. For the millions of people with sensitive skin, the heavy additives in Gains are too aggressive for daily use. The goal of this soap is to make your kitchen smell like laundry, not to keep your family's health safe. Strong artificial smells can often cause headaches or dizziness for some users. This soap prioritizes a laundry scent over the safety of your food. You are essentially washing your plates with perfume and harsh chemicals. These additives can be especially irritating to young children's delicate skin. The residue is stubborn and clings to your cookware. It is an industrial perfume disguised as a cleaning product. These chemicals can seep into porous materials and stay there for weeks. It is an unnecessary chemical burden on your body's filtration system. Your kitchen should smell like food, not like a chemical factory. Cons: harsh synthetic fragrances, causes skin rashes, contains synthetic dyes, can irritate lungs, leaves chemical residue. Price around $3 to $6. Number 4, Dawn. Dawn is a powerhouse for grease, but it uses sodium lauryl sulfate, SLES, a surfactant that can be very irritating to the skin barrier. While it is great for oil spills, using it on your daily dishes can leave a chemical residue that is hard to rinse off completely. Many users notice their hands become extremely dry and cracked, which is a clear warning sign that the soap is too harsh. The ultra cleaning power comes from ingredients that can be toxic to aquatic life once they wash down your drain. Choosing a soap based only on grease cutting ignores the long-term effect these chemicals have on your skin's health. The high amount of surfactants can make your skin feel thin and fragile. It often takes more water to rinse this soap off completely than other brands. This means you're using more water and still risking chemical residue. The Ultra marketing hides the fact that it is too strong for daily skin contact. It is designed for oil spills, not for your family's dinner plates. Your skin barrier cannot recover quickly from this level of aggression. When you use it daily, you are effectively damaging your first line of defense against germs. It is far too powerful for the simple task of washing a dinner plate. Cons: strips natural oils, strong chemical surfactants, contains synthetic dyes, causes extreme dryness, leaves chemical residue. Price around $3 to $7. Number 3, Palmolive. Palmolive uses various synthetic preservatives to keep the soap fresh on the shelf, but these preservatives can cause allergic reactions in many people. Some of these chemicals are linked to skin irritation and can be absorbed through the skin during a long session of dishwashing. Because it uses artificial colors and scents, there is a higher risk of residue staying on your baby bottles or cooking pots. Consumers are moving away from these traditional formulas because they prioritize clean ingredients over brand names. The chemical balance in these soaps often prioritizes bubble production over ingredient safety. These preservatives are added to keep the soap from spoiling on store shelves. When they touch your skin, they can trigger an itchy red reaction. Your health is more important than a soap that stays fresh for years. The artificial dyes used here provide no cleaning benefit. It relies on outdated chemistry that ignores modern health standards. This soap is a relic of an era when chemicals were more important than safety. You are using ingredients that the medical community now warns us about. These preservatives can disrupt the healthy bacteria on your skin. It is a cycle of irritation that many people just accept as normal. Cons: contains synthetic preservatives, irritates sensitive skin, contains synthetic dyes, harsh synthetic fragrances, leaves chemical residue. Price around $2 to $5. Does your skin feel dry after washing dishes? Drop your answer in the comments. Number 2, Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. This brand uses greenwashing, which means they look natural with garden-scented names, but their labels still hide synthetic fragrances. These hidden chemicals can be endocrine disruptors, which interfere with how your hormones work in your body. Despite the natural image, they use preservatives that can trigger sensitivity in people with eczema or very dry skin. Many buyers trust the brand because of the packaging, but the actual chemistry is very similar to corporate brands. The fragrance loophole allows them to avoid listing every chemical, leaving the consumer in the dark about what is touching their food. They use a proprietary blend to keep their chemical list a secret. This means you have no way of knowing what is actually touching your food. The natural look is just a marketing trick to get your trust. It creates a false sense of security for health-conscious parents. You are paying a premium price for a natural image, not natural ingredients. You are trusting a brand that hides its most important details. It is time to stop buying the image and start reading the actual science. Cons: hidden synthetic fragrances, not fully organic, contains synthetic preservatives, irritates sensitive skin, misleading natural labels. Price around $4 to $8. Number 1, Method. Method focuses on stylish bottles and bright colors, but those colors come from synthetic dyes that serve no purpose for cleaning. They use surfactants that can leave a slippery residue on your dishes, which means you have to use more water to get them truly clean. For people with sensitive skin, the artificial fragrances in Method can cause itching and redness on the hands. The chemicals used to create the thick, gel-like texture are often synthetic polymers that are not biodegradable and can stay in the environment. It is a lifestyle brand that puts appearance over the purity of the ingredients. The bright colors are made from chemicals that have no cleaning power at all. These dyes can be irritating to people with very sensitive skin. It is designed to look good on your counter, not to be safe for your body. The thick texture is an artificial additive for visual appeal. You are essentially paying for a fancy bottle and a chemical cocktail. This soap treats your kitchen like a design project rather than a health zone. It is a dangerous combination of style and synthetic chemistry. Cons: contains synthetic preservatives, harsh synthetic fragrances, leaves chemical residue, causes extreme dryness, contains artificial additives. Price: around $4 to $6 dish soap. Brands that are actually clean. Number 3, Attitude. Attitude is a game changer because it is one of the few brands that is fully EWG verified, meaning every single ingredient is checked for safety. They use 100% plant-based surfactants derived from coconut and corn, which means you get a deep clean without any toxic residue on your plates. This brand is a top choice for people with severe allergies because it is hypoallergenic and avoids all synthetic fragrances. You won't find any endocrine disruptors or phthalates here, ensuring your family's hormones stay balanced and your gut health is protected. By choosing this, you reduce the chemical load on your body by nearly 100% compared to using traditional industrial soaps. This means you never have to guess if a product is safe for your kids. The plant-based ingredients break down naturally and don't pollute the earth. It's the gold standard for a truly non-toxic kitchen. You can feel the difference in how your skin feels after washing. There is no chemical smell, only the smell of actual cleanliness. It is a professional-grade soap that respects your biology. It is safe enough for the most delicate baby bottles and newborn needs. You are investing in long-term health instead of short-term convenience. It is a breath of fresh air in a world of chemical marketing. Pros: safer baby bottles. 100% biodegradable formula. No artificial colors. Cruelty-free testing. Non-toxic for skin. Price: around $6 to $9. Number 2, Better Life. Better Life focuses on a non-toxic promise, using a formula that is biodegradable and safe for the entire family. Instead of using harsh sulfates that strip your skin, they use plant-derived ingredients that remove 99% of grease while remaining gentle on the hands. Many households switch to this brand to avoid the chemical film that often stays on plastic containers after washing. Their ingredients are transparently listed on the label, meaning there are no hidden fragrances or secret chemicals used in the process. This makes it a perfect choice for those who want a sparkling, clean kitchen without risking their long-term health. Your hands will feel soft and hydrated even after a long session of dishes. You don't have to worry about any secret chemical residues on your plates. It's a simple, honest soap that actually works. It rinses away quickly, saving you time and water. The plant-based power cuts through grease without needing toxins. You can trust that what you put in your sink is safe for your home. Your family's health is protected from the moment you start scrubbing. It is a reliable partner for any health-conscious household. You will notice a real difference in the purity of your glassware. Pros: gentle on hands, vegan-certified ingredients, no harsh sulfates. Eco-friendly packaging. Pleasant, natural scent. Price: around $5 to $8. Number 1, 7th generation. 7th generation is a leader because they use USDA bio-based certified ingredients, which means most of their soap comes from plants, not petroleum. Their formula is designed to break down grease effectively, while ensuring that no toxic residue is left behind on your utensils or glassware. By avoiding synthetic dyes and parabens, they protect your skin barrier and prevent the dryness and itching common with corporate brands. They focus on a 7th generation philosophy, ensuring that the chemicals washing down your drain don't poison the water for future children. It is a reliable, high-performance soap that proves you don't need toxins to get a professional level clean. You can find these soaps in most major stores, making the switch easy. They use recycled plastics for their bottles to help save the ocean. This is a reliable choice for any family wanting a clean home. It offers the perfect balance of cleaning power and purity. Your glassware will sparkle without any chemical streaks. It is a brand that puts the planet and people before profit. It gives you total peace of mind during every single meal. You are supporting a company that actually cares about the future of the earth. It is the smartest choice for a modern, healthy, and sustainable kitchen. Pros: USDA bio-based certified. Easy to find stores. Recycled plastic bottles. Safe for sensitive skin. No synthetic parabens. Price: around $4 to $7. Stop using toxic soaps and start protecting your health today. Your family deserves a chemical-free home. If this guide helped you choose a safer soap, hit that subscribe button right now to join our community and never miss another health deep dive. Let's make your home truly safe together.